What's up guys? Welcome back to another videos of the Snapseed Fundamental series. In the last videos, we show you how to use the Tune Image tool in Snapseed to drastically improve the quality of the photo. However, any changes by using that tool to change the color, saturation, brightness, etc. will apply to the whole photo. So, is that a way just to apply the changes to only one part of the photo? That's where the tool called masking tool comes into place. Let's get into the details. Let me open the photo that I want to edit in Snapseed. The first example I want to show you is to increase the yellow or brown of the pavement and the steps. There are different ways to do it, but one of them is to use the Tune Image tool that you are familiar with. Scroll down to the last selection, that is warmth, and then slide to the right. The color is now more yellowish, but it also affects other parts that I do not want. For now, save the changes by clicking the check mark. Then use the masking tool to apply the changes only to the steps and the pavements. What you need to do now is go to the right top corner, look for the icon which is called Edit Stack. Click that icon and then click View Edits. So now we go to the right bottom corner, look for Tune Image. Click it and it will display 3 different icons. Now click the center icon. Use 2 fingers to zoom into the pavements and the steps. Use a touchscreen pen or your finger to draw on the parts that you want to change the color. The intensity of the color is 100%. That means you are applying the full intensity of the color that you have selected in Tune Image just now. Now I change it to 75% and apply 75% of the intensity onto the steps. I don't want the steps to become too yellowish and therefore I reduce the intensity to only 75%. If you switch off the eye icon, now the icon is black and is no longer blue. The red color that highlights where you have painted is gone, and it reveals what's the color if you save the image now. If you want to compare it how it looks like before editing, click and hold the book icon at the right top corner. It will show you how it looks like before editing. If you are satisfied with it, click the check mark. Then click the arrow at the left top corner. Now you have chosen to increase the yellow for the pavement and the steps without affecting the leaves and the trees at the back. Let's look at another example, that is only to increase the brightness of certain part of the steps. I'm using the Tune Image tool that you are familiar with and choose Brightness. Slide to the right to increase the intensity to 75. The shadowy parts of the steps are now much brighter. But the whole image is just too bright. So I adjust it by going to Edit Stack. Click View Edits. Look at the right bottom. It shows 2 Tune Image edits. Counting from the bottom, the first one is original. The second one on top of it is the one that we have done just now. Increase the yellow of the steps. And the top one is the most recent one. That is the one that we are now working on. Choose the most recent edit and click the center icon. Zoom in and highlight the part that you want to select. If you switch on the eye icon, you will see where you have painted. Let's highlight the darker part of the steps and apply 100% intensity. Now I change it to 75% of intensity to apply to the steps at the back which are not so dark. Switch off the eye icon to remove the red highlight. Check again, now you can see clearer what has been changed. If everything is okay, click the check mark. Followed by the arrow at the left top corner. Press and hold any part outside the image to see the original unedited image. And release your hand to see the final edit. Click the word Done at the left top corner to save the image. You can see the brightness and the color of the steps and the pavement have changed. And the trees at the back are not affected. This is how to use masking to apply the effect to only certain part that has been selected. It is not only restricted to tune tools that are used. It applies to all the effects that you can use in Snapseed. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching.